Hello everyone, welcome to Dikshan classes. Today I am going to teach about the replicability, reproducibility and repeatability. First term is repeatability. It means the same team, same experimental setup. The measurement can be obtained with a stated prescription by the same team using the same measurement procedure and the same measuring system under the same operating conditions, under the same location or multiple try. It means that the experiment was conducted by the same teams, by the same measurement procedures and same measuring system and under the same operating conditions and the same locations on a multiple trials. It is known as repeatability. For example, we conduct an experiment on the human brains under the neuro labs by the same procedures, same methods, and the same operating conditions and the same location at some hospitals. Next is replicability. Replicability means the different teams, same experimental setup. The measurement can be obtained by the stated prescription by using different teams, using the same measurement procedures, the same measuring systems, under the same operating condition or in the same or the different location or multiple try. It means that the different team and the same experimental setups with the same procedure, measuring procedures under the same operating condition or a different location or a multiple trials. Next is reproducibility. Reproducibility means different team, different experimental setup. The measurement can be obtained with the prescribed stated by a different team, with different measuring system, different operating conditions and different measurement procedure and a different location or multiple trials. Next is types of research aims, in which we have studied a different what's the different what to consider. First is basic ways applied. Basic research aim to develop new theories, knowledge and predictions, while applied research aim to develop develop techniques, products and procedure. Do you want to expand their scientific knowledge, understanding or solve a practical problem? Next is exploratory and explanatory research. Exploratory research aim to explore the main aspects of an under-researched problem, while the explanatory research aim to explain the causes and the consequences of well-defined problems. Like COVID-19 is not happen in India or all over the world before 2022. It is a exploratory research. We have study about what is the COVID behavior, how it is spread, what are the consequences, what are the precautions to be taken. While the explanatory explains about problem like impact of mobile phones on mental health of human beings. It is an explanatory research. How much already know about your research problem like mental health, and are you conducting initial research or newly identify issues or seeking precise conclusion about an established issue. Next is inductive and deductive research. Inductive research is aim to develop a theory, while deductive research aim to test a theory. Is there already some theories on your research problem that you can use to develop hypothesis? Do you want to propose new theory based on your finding? It means that there some theories are available related to the research problem that can use to develop a hypothesis. Or do you want to propose new theories based on your findings? Next is type of research data. Primary research versus secondary research. Primary data is a data which is directly collected by the researcher through interviews, experiments, while secondary data has already been collected by the someone else like government survey, news reports, magazines, scientific publication, government websites. How much data is already available on your topic? Like we had do research on COVID-19, we have to see that how much data is available, whether in quantitative form, qualitative form, through literature. We all analyze in the existing data. Next is quantitative versus qualitative research. Qualitative research methods focus on the words and meaning, while quantitative research methods focus on the numbers and statistics. Is your research more concerned with the measuring some things or interpreting something? You can also create a mixed methods and research design. There's an element of both. Descriptive versus experimental research. Descriptive research gather data without controlling any variable, while experimental research manipulate and control variables to determine cause and effect. Do you want to identify characteristics, trends, patterns, and correlations, or test causal relationship between variables? Next is type of sampling, time scale, and location. Probability and non-probability sampling. Probability sampling allow you to generalize your findings to a broader population, while the non-probability sampling allow you to draw conclusion only about the specific subject of the research. Do you want to produce generalized knowledge that apply to the many contexts, or the detailed knowledge about a specific context? Example, case study. Cross-sectional study versus longitudinal study. Cross-sectional study gather data at a single point of time, while longitudinal studies gather data at several points of time, like 2019, 2021, 24, 25. Is your research question focus on understanding the current situations or tracking changes over the time? Field research with laboratory research. Field research takes in the natural settings or real world settings, while laboratory research takes places in the controlled and construct settings. Do you want to find out something occurred in the real world and form conclusions about cause and effect? Laboratory experiment has a higher internal validity but lower external validity. Fixed design versus flexible design. In fixed research design, the subject, timescale, and locations are set before data collection begins, while the flexible design these aspects may develop through the data collection processes. Do you want to test hypotheses and establish the generalized fact and or explore concept and develop understandings? For measuring, testing, and taking generalization, a fixed research design has a higher validity and reliability. That's all today's class. Thank you so much for listening carefully. If you have any doubt, any query, you can post in comment section. I will surely make videos. Thank you so much.